Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter, that is the light. In previous video already we have discussed about that pinhole camera. Pinhole camera, how to make that one activities already I have shown to you. Yes, but students, today we are going to discuss about that what is the mirror and what is that image of this. What is the characteristics of image of the plane mirror. Okay, how it is that image is forming by the plane mirror, and we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so let us see first of all what is that mirror, that and what is that characteristics of image of the plane mirror. So mirror is a smooth surface by which that light will get that back reflects. Okay, that is called as a mirror. Mirror is one smooth surface. Okay, you have that looking glass, you have seen that is called as a mirror. Not only the looking glass, any smooth surface which one is reflecting, or that very smooth surface, that is called as a mirror. And that smooth surface, if the light will fall, then it will be, light will come back, so it will come, or it will be reflected, will be come. Okay, so what are the characteristics? You have seen that in your daily life, whenever you are combing that hairs in front of the plane mirror, you will see that only that image is forming in the behind that mirror. Okay, so first of all you will observe that on lateral inversion you can find out. Whenever will come your hairs by right hand, or will do in any action in front of that plane mirror, you will observe that you will find that image is forming like lateral side changing. That means lateral inversion. That means whenever you will come with right hand, it will be observed as a left hand, and if you will do that left hand, it will be right hand, like that you will be see. And image will form as a erect. Erect means as usual. If you are standing like this you will see, but only changing that what lateral. Left side it will be as appear as a right side, and right side appear as a left side. Like that you will find out. Second thing, what you have done, same size you will find out. Okay, the image size is equal to that also object size. How much size we will find out that object, what is the size of that image size also, like that you will be appear. Okay, and that image will form in the behind the screen. Behind the screen means जो मिरर का जो स्क्रीन रहता है उसका पीछे हमको मालूम होगा हम जितना दूर रहेंगे. How much distance from another one characteristics, how much distance from the mirror you will be stand, or object will be stand. Object means anything, either you or any ball or cricket, anything you have to keep that in front of the mirror, that is called as object. And how much distance you will place that object, or you will be stand in front of the mirror, that much distance back side of that mirror, like that you will observe the image will form. So let us discuss about that. What is that a mirror, and what is that characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay, students, look at here. First definition I have written that what is that mirror. Mirror is a smooth surface which reflects a clear image. In that mirror we can see that a clear image we can, and so many surfaces are there, smooth surface, but we cannot clearly, some image we cannot see, but in mirror cases we can see that a clear image. Okay, as the image is formed in a mirror when the light coming from the illuminated object is reflected by the surface of the mirror. When that light will fall, and it will be reflected from the plane mirror. So now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. क्या क्या characteristics है? Already 5 characteristics I have written. You can remember and you have to realize it. The characteristics of image is formed by a plane mirror as follows. First characteristics: the image is formed behind the mirror. What is that means? Behind the mirror. So that means उसका पीछे, हमारा जो mirror होता है उसका पीछे जैसा हम लगेगा. ठीक है? So that means that screen we can, that image we cannot take out on the screen. Okay. Second, it is a virtual image which cannot taken on the screen because it is a virtual image. What is that image will form in the plane mirror? That is a virtual image. Virtual image means that we cannot catch that, we cannot take out that screenshot. Okay, screen. We cannot find out that on the screen. Third, the size of the image and the object is same. That means if suppose 10 centimeter, 10 meter or 10 centimeter height of the object, if you are placing in front of the object mirror, if you place that object, then same height, 10 centimeter height, we will find out in the image as in the plane mirror. Okay, the image is formed by a plane mirror is erect and not inverted. What do you mean by erect? Okay, you will find out the erect means students. See, suppose object is placed like this. The arrow mark you will understand. If it is object, suppose this is one mirror. Okay, that this will form image will form this like. That means it is the same size and this is called as erect. If it will observe like this is called as inverted. This is called as a inverted. If the object is from this mirror, in front of object you will keep that mirror will that image will form like this. If like this will stand as usual, then that is called as a erect. But if reverse will come, means leg will be up and head will be down, that is called as a inverted. Suppose students, you see this is now I kept blue color is like this, object is like this. If the image will form like this, that is called as erect. If image will form like this, that is called as a inverted. Whatever it is the object that is changing like this, okay, that is called as a inverted. Okay, next, the image is formed by the plane mirror is the lateral inversion. I told you the first time when in introduction I gave, I informed you. If I am now catching which hand? Now in right hand. Yes, but if I stand in front of that mirror, it will be appear as a left hand like. Okay, this one will appear as a left hand. So this is called as a lateral inversion. Okay, students. So you will find out that what are the different characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay, though there are 5 characteristics already I have explained. One is the lateral inversion, side changing. Second one, the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. Third one, it is a virtual image. That means that image we cannot take in on the screen. And that first very important characteristic is the image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, so these are about that all 5 characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay, students. So these are the very important points you have to remember and you have to write in your notebook. So now we can go for that. What is that reflection? Reflection means क्या होता? Reflection means when the light will bounce or back come from the smooth surface. Suppose light will fall on a rough surface. Okay, one opaque surface. That means the light cannot be reflect, cannot come back. But if it will fall on that mirror, then compulsory it will be reflect. So this is called as a reflection. Reflection means when the light will fall on a smooth surface and it will be reflect, come back. That is called as a reflection. So let us see. Under definition I have written the phenomenon of bouncing back of a light from the surface of an object is called the reflection. And you have to study in that 7th class what is that law of light or the law of reflection, and what are the law of reflection. You will higher classes you will study about that. So I hope you have understood about this light chapter. So it is very important, students. For the higher class it will help. So everybody keep it in note and send me also in WhatsApp as usual how you are sending. But you have to complete that exercise already in the today. I hope I will send to you also homework that about that exercise part also, but you should try to complete that. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.